How to fix Amazon Prime Video error. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimo. In today's video I will simply show you the way on how you can fix your Prime Video error on the Amazon Prime app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes what happens if we hear is that the issue is, let's say you open up Amazon Prime Video, you simply face some kind of issues on your Prime Video subscription or your app. Well, hopefully there are a couple of things which we can do within the app. So what we will do is, very first thing, we'll simply go ahead and check if there are any type of updates available for Amazon Prime Video. So open up your Play Store and in the search box you want to simply type in Prime Video. Once you type in Prime Video, if you see an update button right next to the Amazon Prime, I would want you to actually update the app to the latest version. So go ahead and see that it's updated and see if that fixes the issue, because most likely this will definitely fix it. If not, what I would recommend you to do is to simply log out of it. Now what we will do is we will go ahead and then open up settings. As we open up settings, over here we're going to scroll down to the bottom and then select the option called apps. So go ahead and select apps, and as you select apps, we will again scroll down to the very bottom and then we will look for the option called Prime Video. So go ahead and simply search for Prime Video. As you can see, once you find it, tap on it, and what I want you to do is to simply tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and then you might also want to clear data. But keep in mind that this will log you out of your Amazon Prime account and you would simply need to re-log in back into your Amazon Prime account again, and most likely this would fix the issue. Last but not the least, I would also recommend you to simply check your internet connection. Go ahead and verify if they're working correctly or not. If all of these are working properly, now this would definitely fix the issue. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.